Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you some small space organization and storage ideas that you can use around your entire home to help maximize the space that you do have. Whether you're living in a tiny home, a small apartment, or a very large home, I hope you can get some ideas from today's video that you can implement into your space. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And I want to give a huge thank you to Blueland for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. If you have a very small bedroom and you just don't have the space for any nightstands, I have found such a great solution that's going to give you that functionality but not take up much space at all. This is a little clamp-on bedside table shelf. It hooks right onto your bed frame and you can tighten it or loosen it to fit your exact bed size. So it's very versatile. I have this hooked onto my IKEA bed frame, which is very slim, so I can tighten it all the way and it really holds strong. I love the finish of it as well. It works really well with my floors, but it's a nice warm white oak color, so it's very neutral. This is such a slim solution. It keeps your floor space really empty and it has the strength to hold everything you need for your bedside table. So you can put a lamp, your water, your phone, your books, everything you need, and keep everything off the floor. I actually like that it frees up some floor space as well, so you can tuck things underneath and really take advantage of the full size of your bedroom. If you have a very tiny bedroom and you're looking for a nightstand option, this is definitely for you. If you're living in a small space, your laundry hamper or laundry basket may be the big bulky thing that's taking up very usable space. I have mine tucked into my bathroom here, and I just think it's in the way. So I found this amazing door hanging laundry bag that actually hooks right onto the back of any door and completely frees up your floor space. This comes with all the hanging mechanisms you need, 2 hooks to go over the door, or you can use a peel and stick option for a wall. I love being able to just throw my clothes into this hamper, and it actually has a zipper right on the bottom that allows you to empty it very easily. So you can unzip it and all of the laundry will fall into your laundry basket and you can take it to the laundry room. So it's so great for freeing up that space in your bedroom or bathrooms and totally eliminating that big bulky laundry hamper. If your small bathroom is lacking countertop space or you have a pedestal sink, you're probably looking for every little storage opportunity and surface that you can take. So I found this amazing product that actually hooks right onto your wall outlet. This is going to give you a little bit of an extra surface to bring things off of your countertop and give you some functionality. So this hooks right onto your existing wall plate and you can actually string through cords so that you can still plug things in. I love that this uses the thing that you already have. Every bathroom usually has an outlet, so you can use that existing piece to create a storage opportunity. This is renter friendly, anyone can do this, and it can bring up those necessities that you need in your bathroom, like your soap pump, a little garbage can maybe, your toothbrushes, and create a new surface for you or free up that countertop space. A small area in my kitchen that always needs improvement is underneath my sink. I've come to realize this space is always cluttered and messy because I have way too many single-use plastic bottles. So I'm going to be simplifying my cleaning system and saving a ton of money by switching to Blueland. Unlike traditional liquid cleaners that are sold in single-use plastics, with Blueland all you need to clean your house or your hands are these little nickel-sized tablets. These tablets have all the cleaning power you need and only cost $2. You can stop buying expensive cleaning products. I usually paid $5 to $6 per cleaning product that I would just throw away after. It was so wasteful. Now I can just fill my forever bottles with water and drop my tablet in and I'm good to go. I got the Blueland Clean Essential Kit that came with a multi-surface cleaner, bathroom cleaner, mirror and glass cleaner, and a hand soap. Blueland uses no single-use plastics in any of their components, from bottles to tablets to wrappers or even shipping. They're also EPA certified, which means EPA scientists have gone through all the ingredients to make make sure that they meet Safer Choice's strict criteria. I love that all the Blueland products are effective, they're convenient, they're safe for use, affordable, and they're sourced from clean ingredients. They're made without ammonia, VOCs, soy and nut, chlorine bleach, and even parabens. So instead of buying individual cleaning products or hand soap, if you get the kit, you're already saving 20%. Plus, I have a code for you guys to save an extra 20% off. All you have to do is click the link down below my description box to get 20% off your first kit. They're now shipping to the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, and New Zealand. I'm sure I can't be the only one that has a staircase in my home that gets cluttered with things. Whether your home is large or small, clutter can make that space feel even smaller. And the bottom of your stairs always seem to be that space that gets cluttered with all of your stuff. So I found this little stair basket that can actually collect all of those little things that you may want to leave behind throughout the day and give you an easier way to take them up the stairs, but also just tidy up the look of your home. This is something that hugs your stairs, fits right onto your stairs. It can stay there throughout the entire day, and you can collect all the stuff you need to take up at night. So whether you have a large home or a small home, this can fit on any little step to really clean up the look of your space. If you're finding that your stairs are getting cluttered, this might be the little solution that you may need. If you have a small bathroom, small kitchen, or even small laundry room and you're looking for some extra mobile storage, this little shelf-on-wheels system is just what you need. This is the smallest, narrow, easy-to-build shelf system that you can slide into any room that just needs a little extra storage. You can slide it underneath your pedestal sink in your bathroom, squeeze it into your laundry room, put it beside your fridge, and hold all of those extra things that you don't have space for. I love the mobility of this. It's something you can tuck away in a closet and bring out when you need it. It's pretty much the smallest utility cart, and I think it's so useful. So if you have a very small space and you could use some extra storage on wheels, this little piece would be just the thing for you. Let me know down below in the comments if you have a room in your home that stays colder than the rest of the house. It might be a bathroom or a bedroom. You may need this little plug-in space heater. Look at the size of this space heater in comparison to your traditional room fan or room heater. This is the smallest space heater I've ever seen, and it doesn't take up any floor space at all. So if you have a small space, maybe you live in a tiny home, a trailer, or really any small room, you can plug this into your outlet and it goes on a timer and will heat up your space. My bedroom growing up was always the coldest and I always needed a space heater, and this would have been the perfect solution. It can fit in the palm of your hand and doesn't take up any floor space at all. One cubby in my front cabinet is filled with ball caps. We have a ton of hats in our home. We usually keep them by the front door, so they're just shoved away in this cubby, taking up space that's meant for shoes. So I found a new way to actually hang up the hats and put them away in the front closet. This creates a slim vertical storage opportunity. It keeps all the hats off the floor, organized, lined up, and definitely tidier. This little Velcro piece slides right onto a clothing hanger, and you can just clip on all of your hats. So you can use your existing hangers and really make the most of your closet space by hanging your hats. This little hanging system makes it so much easier to find exactly what you're looking for, and I love that it's a designated space for your hats. They're no longer straight around your house, pushed into cubbies, they're hung up and put away neatly. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you some ideas that you can start implementing into your home. Let me know down below in the comments which one of these space-saving hacks do you absolutely need in your space. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!